Hello guys, today we'll be looking at how it can create a simple logo reveal using Adobe After Effects. First, we are going to new composition to create our composition size. We're going to name it background. Press OK. Whichever size you choose will be OK. Then we double click the project panel and import our files. Then select the background image and drag it to the timeline. Go to 3 seconds, press S for scale, add a keyframe, then go at the beginning and increase the size to 250. Then you're going to add an overlay background. Going to new, solid, and I'm going to rename this overlay. Press OK. Then you go to 3 seconds and press T for opacity. Reduce the opacity to 65. Add a keyframe. Go at the beginning and increase the opacity to 100. Select all the keyframe and press F9 to ease them. Go into the graph editor and make the graph to look like this. You can preview it. Go into preview and see how it looks. And then we create another composition. This one will be the logo composition. Name it logo. Size should be 500 by 500. Then we're going to drag our logo inside. Press S for scale. Let's make it 26. Go to align and align the logo. Then go to the first second and press P for position. Let's animate the position of the logo. Press P, then go at the beginning and drag the logo downwards while holding Shift. Then select the keyframes and ease them. Make the graph to look like this. Then go to 2 seconds, press S for scale. Then go to the first seconds and reduce the scale size to 14. Select both keyframes and ease them. Go to the 3rd second and reduce and add another keyframe. Add another keyframe. Go to the 4th second and reduce the scale size to 14 again. Select the 4th and the 3rd keyframe. Go to the graph editor and make it look like this. Also the 2nd keyframe, make it look like this. The 1st keyframe, make it look like this. Then we press P for position and add another keyframe there. Go to the last and drag the logo downwards. Select both keyframes, go to the graph editor and make the keyframes to look like this. Then you can press F4 and add motion blur. Let's preview it. Now let's go to our background and drag in the logo composition into the background. Let's go back to the logo and go to effects and presets and look for fill. Try this one. Drag it, the logo, change the color to white. Let's go back to the background and let's preview our logo reveal. I see that looks nice. And that's how you can create a simple logo reveal using After Effects. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe.